Welcome to the Pfannenberg DTI 6000 series installation video. Prior to installation and operation of this unit, read the Installation Operation Manual completely. Reference the manual during installation. The power mains should be run. Follow all lockout and tagout procedures. Read the warnings on screen and in the manual. Any electrical work should be undertaken by a qualified electrician. Every unit will come with an accessory pack, including the items required to install your unit. The accessory pack includes fasteners, Wago plug for electrical connection, and an electrical connector. Let's get started. Step 1. Cut the correct opening in the enclosure based on the cutout dimensions. The exact location is determined by your application. The template can be found on the product pages at pfannenbergusa.com. Step 2. This unit utilizes tool-free mounting. If mounting on a door, verify the door hinges are able to support the weight of the DTI unit. To begin mounting, ensure the emergency condensate drain is at the bottom of the unit. The bottom of the unit should be pushed in first to have the lip on the product go over the enclosure wall. Once the lip is over the enclosure wall, the top of the unit should slide in. Push the cooling unit into the cutout until the seal is engaged. The catch spring on the top of the unit should snap in audibly. Once you hear this, the cooling unit is now secured against falling out. Step 3. Snap in the fastening springs on the inside of the enclosure. There are two positions for mounting the fastening springs. The one closer to the enclosure wall is the standard position for the fastening spring, while the position farther away is for a thicker enclosure wall. Press the fastening springs with your hand so that the bracket hooks on to the enclosure wall. Prior to installation and operation of this unit, read the Installation Operation Manual completely. Reference the manual during installation. The power mains should be run. Follow all lockout and tagout procedures. Read the warnings on screen and in the manual. Any electrical work should be undertaken by a qualified electrician. Step 4. Prepare the Wago connector supplied in the accessory pack by connecting the jumper wire between point of connection number 4 and 5. If not using a door switch. If using a door switch, wire the door switch to the Wago connector between terminals 4 and 5. Step 5. Prepare to make the electrical connection. Remove the two screws on the panel cover. Then, remove the cover of the panel. Disconnect the grounding connection from the control panel. Step 6. The factory setting for power for these units is set at 400 volt, 50 Hz. If you are using 460 volt power, you must change the switch inside the control panel. Use pliers to pull the pin out of the 400 volt 50 Hz position and switch it to the 460 volt 60 Hz position. Step 7. Insert the Wago into the X54. Terminal 4 and 5 are jumped out to close the circuit. Step 8. Prepare the connecting power cable. Strip the wires in the connecting power cable. Make the electrical connections to the mating plug according to the circuit diagram. To do this, open the cage clamp terminal on the X50 power connector with a flat screwdriver by inserting the screwdriver. Never turn the screwdriver. This will damage the cage clamp terminal. Insert the wire into the mating plug on the connector and remove the screwdriver. Continue until all wires are connected and secured. Step 9. Reconnect the ground wire. Step 10. Plug the X50 power connector into the mains connection port on the control panel. Replace the control panel cover and replace the 2 screws. Step 11. Time to turn on the power to the unit. Note that before the unit is powered on, the door switch must be closed for the startup test mode to fully run. Once power is applied to the mains, the unit will power on. The unit will automatically be put into operating mode when it is powered on, and the evaporator fan will kick on immediately. Step 12. Time to confirm the unit is operating properly. This unit has a 90-second startup test mode. To begin the startup mode, press the back and set buttons on the control panel. Startup mode will run for the 90 seconds and count down on the screen. You should hear both fans and the compressor start. Congratulations! The installation is complete. If you need more information, find us at pfannenbergusa.com and look for the Service RMA section in the top menu, or email us at sales@pfannenbergusa.com. Thank you for watching.